What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and hopefully enjoy those few little burnout clips here at the beginning. But now it's time for me to get new tires. I wanted to get rid of these real quick so I can get some R888s and actually get some traction. But still have a little bit of tread left, so let's get on to American Wheel and Tire. Let's find a little place to burn the rest of these off, and let's get to it. I think we're also gonna go get a paint correction of ceramic coating today. Probably drop the car off, and then maybe go talk to HPC about the build. So, without further ado, let's get into today's shenanigans. It is cold start time, boys. Come on, buddy. There we go. Good morning. So first stop of the day, arguably the most important. I do need to get places. It's time for some gasolina, huh? Yes, see? I'm pretty much empty, but I do need to go places, and that is very important. So time to fill up, let her drink. Maybe I go get something for me to drink, but you know, fill her up with gas, and let's go burn off these tires real quick. Get some new ones. I'm thinking R888s. That's what everyone has been telling me. So let's get to it. So one of the greatest challenges presented as me trying to YouTube with a manual car is if I want to record pulls, I have two hands. I need to hold three things. I guess this, if the car is aligned, we will see, and it'd be a good way to test it out. Oh, hello. We got a Mason. Hello. Oh, he closed the garage. No more golf R. Time to go Mexico to do some burnouts, and look who we ran into. It's Mr. Booth and Sinclair Photos. Hello, friends. Are you ready to burn out these tires and go get new ones? Let's do it.
Oh no.
Stalled. Now it's time to get to Skiddly Diddly Daddle, because that's a security guy over there.
Oh, he's getting out of the car. What are they doing?
I don't know.
Reaching in the trunk.
He's eating his pistol.
Pulls an AK out of the back.
Here we are, American Wheel and Tire. Oh my goodness. Alrighty guys, we have made it here to American Wheel and Tire. We got the vet in tow. We just roasted off whatever's left for the tires, and it's time to get in here, get me some R888 slapped on here so I can actually hook. 60 rolls on these tires are not fun. But we're meeting up with the boy Yanni. He got his GTR right over there, and let's get to it. This is the guy that's hooking me up with the tires. Think about the wheels he has in the GTR. I think they're pretty sick. Some Vossens. Probably get some for a pretty good deal as well. So let's hop in here real quick. What do you all think about something like this? I really do like this wheel design where it's like the sort of directional off the centerpiece. I like those. How about something like these on the vet? Yes, Mike?
Yes.
32s? AJ. Turn the FRS into a donk.
That's what I was thinking about. Either
donk.
I've never seen an FRS on Swangers.
Yeah,
either,
no wide body. Swangers or donk, leave it in the comments below. Do you want to see his FRS on some 32s or some like 13s? 13s are for when he goes on hydraulics.
Yes.
The lowrider. So we've made a friend here. Got a DB11 that pulled up next to the Z06. I'm leaving it in good hands for some R888R love. When I pick it up, we'll be getting all the traction, boys. Goodbye to the GTR, American Wheel and Tire, and everything. We'll be back tomorrow night. I'm hopping in the front. Stop! Right now! Alright, we're here at Planet Ford. We're looking for a new daily to go with the Z06 because I don't want to be driving that in third ward going to school. We do have a Ford GT here though. Look at that. That is crazy. But waiting for the homie Drew. He's a GT500 and he's going to show us some trucks. Alright, he said he got his golf cart. His golf cart is an F-150 that we're hopping in to go check out the F-250s. Riding in style.
That'll be bougie over here.
This is Drew right here. He works here at Planet Ford, so if you ever need any like Mustangs, Explorers, trucks, whatever you need, he can probably get you it. So make sure to ask for Drew when you come here. He's the homie. Yeah, of course, of course. GT500 too. He's a GT500 and a Bullet. So
I sold Big B his green 5.0 a couple weeks ago.
okay, yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Inside the F350 Lariat now. I was told this is a sort of medium on the scale of bougie. I don't know what I want. I think the Lariat would suffice. This is plenty nice for me. 30 miles on the dash. I have a very specific color and look I want for this. I either want white or black. So once I get more serious about looking for a new truck, maybe August or something, maybe we'll have some new stuff. But they still have plenty of goodies for me to check out. Lariat, pretty nice. XLT. It's the common man's truck, he says. The common man's truck. I gotta be bougie. Another Lariat. All right, so we got the King Ranch F250 right here. I'm not sure how I feel about the interior on these. The brown with like all the insignias for the King Ranch around it. Very nice. Don't get me wrong, but I think I want like a white and black sort of look. So I think the brown would throw that off just a tad. So, F250 Platinum here. I think this is the move. Ooh, big old tow mirrors. Got the power running boards too. Look at that. Ooh, fancy boy. Ooh, I think this might be the move, man. Oh wow, that's very soft. Yeah, I think the Platinum F250 is gonna be the move, or F350. Not entirely sure. That's a truck right there, boys. I think I need one. All right, guys, my truck followers, let me know. What do you think I should get? Should I go with the Platinum? Should I go with the King Ranch? Should I go with the Limited? I don't know. So just let me know what you think I should get. I'm down for all of them. Camaro Constable just rolled by. And another Charger Constable. I didn't know they had that many Camaro SSs. But anyways, let me know. Which truck would you like to see me get and turn into a tow rig for the Z06? So, let's get on the high performance connection so we can talk about the building with that. Ooh, baby, look at that. Ooh, baby. All right, you take the Viper or the Pathfinder with the shattered back windshield. It's a tough choice.
I'll take you.
Dude, that's so sick. I love Viper so much. So we just pulled up the high performance connection here. You see the man, the myth, the legend, Red Eye Barber here in the crazy Mr. Organic wrapped Hellcat Red Eye, of course. So any waiting room art in a automotive shop should obviously be several intake manifolds, whatever your little heart desires. So we're going to take a look at the where the magic happens.
So this is the heavy head in here right now that we're developing a port on, but this is where we would cut your LT foreheads at.
Okay,
right
okay.
Here, so, pretty aggressive.
All right, so we're leaving high performance connection now. They got all sorts of crazy stuff going on here. Something just started up. Oh, it's the 6th Gen SS with the chute on it. That car's nuts, but we just discussed some plans we got for the car, something we're gonna be doing. Got a lot of big stuff going on, man. This is gonna be a crazy build, man. I'm excited to be working with HPC and everything, seeing what we can make. Got the boy Jesus' car up there. I'm gonna go walk over here real quick, some C7s, or C7 and C6.
I love this, I don't know why.
Yeah, this is super nice. Ooh, I like that, the wheel and tire setup back here. ET Streets, I think. Yeah, ET Streets. Ooh, that looks good. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video today. We went and checked out some new cars. We're getting new tires on the Z06 and we went and talked about the build. I'm super excited. Big things gonna happen on the C7 very soon. And give me a month or so. Let this Karen check hit. You know the deal. Thanks, Karen. Karen built, Karen bought, whatever you want to call it. But we're well on our way to being a fast boy. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know if you have any suggestions on what you want to see on the car. And see you in the next video, guys. Good thing I do not have the Corvette right now, man. It's long dropped off and hopefully indoors, because I would have died in this 100%.
Oklahoma's followed us
Oh my
home.
God.